Hello friends, welcome to my channel in the Flutter Book. So today we are discussing about how we can deploy the web application in the server by the using of the Flutter and by the using of the GitHub account. So let's start on the Google. Here you can see the Flutter official documentation of the releasing to the web applications. So building for the release for do you can see here is the build web assets files and fonts packages and the shaders concat icons flutter.js and this is the necessary file for the deploying for the web server. So today we are start. Before the starting we need to create one repository for the uploading to the web server. So let's go to on the GitHub accounts. So here's my GitHub account. It's my personal account. So I have created a repository like create naming convention like madhubansani.github.io. So I just open it. So here's the GitHub account, and you need just create to the GitHub account and like create a repository, empty repository, and we need to the put it build web file in this repository. So let's open to the any project for our personal project like this. So I'm opening new windows, and here is the one application for the web. Let's open it. Okay. So first we can do one thing. First train the app, because I will show you what the application we are using, then I will deploy it. Currently debugging. This is my personal project, and here you can see in the work folder I have created the web. This is the repository, this one. I will show you it in the home, this one. So I have cloned it on the desktop. So here you can see this is my application. You can see also the debugging mode. When I log in it, so application will be logging, right? Stock management, inventory is the applications. Like we will need to go to the add inventory. So this is the add inventory files. So like this. So we need to deploy on this server. So we need to go. First step is in the terminal. Open the terminal and type here the Flutter Build web. So you can see here the command. Flutter Build web. So first need to run this command in the terminal, and here's the you can see when I collapse it. Here you can see the build file build, and here's the web. So first we need to delete it. Not a trash. Okay, and we need to just this one, Flutter Build web. So it's building the application, and here you can see the generated of the web folder in this one. And in this web folder we need to these files. Here you can see the assets files, the notice and convert. These all necessaries versions, manifest, main.index, and the flutter subject.js. So it's complete, and here you can see here's the web folder, and inside of the web folder we need to the all folder assets icons. Previously you can see in the Google. So we need to just copy this one and paste it in the web. So let's open in the other VS Code. This is the other VS Code. We need to just open this web, this one. Okay, so we need to delete the previous build. So I have just deleted on this one, this all. Not deleted, good. Okay, let's delete it. But in your side there are no any deployment, so let's skip it. I will just directly replace it. Okay, so here you can see this collapses file, we need to put the assets to the version JSON. Okay. This all files we need to keep it in directory folder here. So copy these folders and replace it. Okay, file folder is the name of the file already exists. Replace it for the all files. We need to do for the all files, sets, forms, packages, icons. So here you can see the all necessary files will be inside of this one. And we need to push it. Consult plus icons, post code, right, and commit it. Commit, and just we need to push it. So here push, the code will be pushed. And I have go to my insides of this repository. So here you can see dev had recently pushed the latest minute demo. So compare, pull request, and merge it. And dev merge it. Data means is already merged. Merge the pull request, confirm merged. So here you can see the successfully merged. So let's go to the inside of the home and goes to this repository files. Here's the settings. Go in the settings, and here's the pages. So we need to just delete our previously here your site is alive. I will show you. Wait, you can see when I tap to the widget side. So here you can see this is my oldest deployed. So I have cancelled it and released to new. Here I select it to the none and save it, because we need to delete previously build. So this and the deleted, and I have selected to the main again and save it. So here you can see I have got it a message, your GitHub page site is currently being built from the main branch. So it will be take 1 to 3 minutes. It takes time, and after I will show you something. So here you can see in these files we are created to the build, and inside of this one you can see in the leaf folder, there are the main dot. So here I have created the main dot. So here is the counter application. So the deployment for the counter application, currently we have deployed for the counter application. Then I will deploy it on my own applications. First we need to show you. I have refreshed. Here you can see your site is alive at this application is live at. So when I press to the widget site, then you just see the counter application will becomes. I think no. Wait. Yeah, I think it's right. When I press to the login, here is some API issue, so that's why it's throwing the error. So that's the procedure for the deploying the web application on the server by the using of the GitHub account. Thank you. That's all. If you have any query, then please message me in the chat and in the box. Thank you.